What's going on, guys? This is Decelation. I'm my buddy Nigel's house.
What's up?
So we're gonna take care of his garage real quick. Take a look at this. So I've known Nigel about 3 years. He's an avid car guy that I've known. But how can a car guy do anything with this? So this is a fairly new house for him. So I told him I'd come out and we would make this happen. It's got a... Once we get this running, I'm definitely reviewing and driving this car. I drove it once when he first got it, and bruh, it's nice. And then he's got, I don't know if you can see it, but under all
that is a 350.
There's a 350, his seat time stallion for drifting. But yeah, Nigel, let's talk about you. Introduce yourself to the channel.
My name's Nigel. I love cars. This is definitely not how I want my garage to be, but you know, life happens, and this has been sitting now for a couple months. That's been sitting for a couple months. I've missed several events now because of it, and Gary's here to help me get my garage organized so it can be more effective and get some track time.
Exactly. So we're gonna get to work. So you guys are gonna watch us pull all this crap out of here, and then we're gonna start organizing and getting this figured out. And yeah, I'm gonna start convincing this dude. He just had a new kid, so congratulations.
Thank you.
But I'm gonna convince him and put him to work at my house as well, because we have some cars to build.
Hell yeah.
All right, so stay tuned, guys. Welcome back, guys. So as you see, we've got a lot of the stuff out of the garage, Nigel,
including us.
Yeah. How you feeling, man?
Pretty good. We've been working for like 35-45 minutes.
Yeah, and
this is all the stuff that was in there, which is quite a bit. But
yeah, so you see,
it's starting to look like a garage again.
It has potential, doesn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
So I'm going to take you to kind of show you what we're going to do, but we're going to organize this stuff as well. So he likes cars and likes woodworking, so you know, got my work cut out for me because we got to make space for both. But yeah, so this is a lot of all of his woodworking stuff, spare wood. Some of these tools are we're gonna organize all of these tools as well. A lot of this crap that's sitting on top. So we've already figured out, we have a plan for where it's gonna go. And this shelf right here has some car stuff, some yard stuff. So yeah, as you saw the last little bit, pieces here. So it's a break time. Catch you guys in a minute. What's going on, guys? Another update. Nigel, how you feeling now?
Pretty good.
Look at this.
This looks more like a garage and less like a junk pile. So
right? So I can show you. He actually has a floor. I know the last video, the beginning of this, it didn't look like it, but he actually does have a garage floor. So that's one of his tenants. That's some of his tenant stuff. So we're gonna leave that alone. But the rest of the stuff, nice and organized, nice and clean.
Look, we found the 350.
And we found the 350Z. I mean, he told me it was here, but now that we actually see it and it's uncovered, kind of nice.
It is actually here. Yeah, it's kind of nice. You know, it's got a couple little bumps and bruises, you know.
This is a seat time stallion. It doesn't need to look pretty, it needs to work.
It's a seat time rig, full show.
And does it work?
Oh, yeah.
It works. That's all that matters.
It just works a lot better when there's not 50,000 pieces of junk on it.
He has a point there. So yeah, so right now what we're gonna do is, now that we've got the deconstruction, got everything out, now we can easily bring stuff back in here and organize it. So next step is gonna be assembling shelves and everything.
Yep.
And start organizing some of these big things and putting them back nicely. And dude, we need to do something about your damn tools.
Yeah, that's part 2 of this whole thing. Got too many tools.
Yeah, there's no such thing as too many tools. It's just unorganized tools. That's what bugs me.
Agreed.
All right, well, we'll catch you guys back on the next update. Welcome back, guys. So kind of what you guys saw was us doing organizing tools and bringing it back in. So as you can see, we still got some more stuff out there, but this workbench is actually able for him to be worked on. We got kind of this, we need to put the engine stand together. We'll may see if we can get to that today or not. We got these shelves put in very nicely. And so we didn't show his tool case before, but man, actually organized. He can find stuff. Apparently you couldn't close this before, could you? No. Nah. He's in the dark. He looks black because you can't see him, but oh, you gotta open the top? Oh, okay. There we go. So now he has these kind of organized, all the sockets in one place. He's gonna go through and perfect it a little bit better. Wrench rolls, open box wrenches, and big tools and stuff. But yeah, we got it nice and organized, a lot better than what it used to be. But yeah, we're probably gonna cut this video off right now because all we're doing is bringing stuff back in. As you can see, he's bringing it right there. Nigel, want to say goodbye to the people in the video one?
Later.
So later, guys, we are finishing up. Today's garage will be back later this, probably in a month or month and a half before we can be back out here, but we're gonna keep moving, and now that he has enough space to actually do some stuff, he may be motivated to help organize a little bit even when I'm not here.
Oh yeah, that's right.
So
little baby's learning how to walk.
yeah, so it's gonna be fun, but I really do appreciate you guys watching this video.
If you like you, Gary.
Oh, come here, give me a hug, big guy. Aw. But yeah, so if you like this type of content, we're still gonna do more of these series, more of this series. So hit that like button, hit the comment button down, comment down below, tell me what you like and what you didn't like, and hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Have a good one.